Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. Now today I've got something really interesting to show you all. It's a toothbrush. Yes, you heard me right, I will be literally showing you guys a toothbrush in this video. But me making a video on a toothbrush must definitely mean it's not any ordinary one. It's a special smart electric toothbrush from Xiaomi. This is a very interesting product and is called the Xiaomi's Mijia Sonic toothbrush. So in this video we'll be unboxing and checking out all of its features. On the front it says Mijia Sonic toothbrush and you got a picture of the product over here. It comes only in white color, but the brush heads on it can be replaced with different colors. Okay, so let's check out its features. The Sonic toothbrush has a powerful yet highly efficient motor. It's fully customizable with the app, has high density metal free brush and comes with American DuPont premium soft bristles. We've got some more features written on the other side as well. The brush is fully IPX7 rated waterproof, has wireless charging support, multicolor ring distinction and intelligent hand gesture recognition. Wow, a toothbrush with these many smart features? I can't wait to unbox and check it out. You can see a Me seal here which tells that it's a genuine Me product, and below that you've got some details regarding the brush. Well, that was our overview on the box. There's nothing else written on it, so let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this outer cover. I wanna thank Gearbest for sending me this product for review. Alright, let me tear the packaging and take the box out. There we go. Now let's finally open the box and check out the product. So here it is guys, Xiaomi's Sonic electric toothbrush. So where's the brush? And what's this tube-like thing in the box? Wait a second, is this the body of the brush? Holy moly, it's so big! What were they thinking while making this? Anyways, let's continue. Let's see what all stuff we have in the package. Oh, there's a box over here. Must be for the accessories. We'll check them out in a moment. First, let me also take the brush out of the box. So here's the body of the brush. Oh my god, just look at the size guys. It feels solid in the hand. Before I tell you about the product in detail, let me also show you all the accessories. You get a charging dock to charge the brush. Now this is a wireless charger. You just need to place the brush on this dock and it will start charging automatically. You got the Mijia logo on it and some info at the bottom. And here's the main part of the product, the brush head. It comes vacuum sealed like this and you only get one piece in the box. Let me just take it out. So this is how it looks like. Oops, looks like it also comes with a protective cap. Nice! The build quality looks very good. So guys, these brush heads come in different colors and you can replace them as and when you want. It's got American DuPont premium bristles with 40% higher density. You got the Mijia branding over here and the bristles also feel really soft when you touch them. So I guess it'll be gentle on your teeth. I'll let you know about that once I use and experience it. Installing this on the body is also pretty simple. I'll show you that later in the video. And along with that you get some paperwork. It's a user manual, but it's entirely in Chinese, so not of any big use to us. There's also a packet of colorful rings to change the look of the brush. That's it, so these are all the items you got in the package. Now let's have a look at Xiaomi's Sonic electric toothbrush. So this is the main body of the smart toothbrush and the brush heads on it can be removed and replaced whenever you want. The toothbrush is quite bulky and easily weighs around 100 grams. The body is made of high quality plastic and is also IPX7 rated waterproof. Over here at the bottom you got the Mijia logo. I don't know if you guys can see it in the video because it's barely visible, and above that you got 4 status LED indicators. There's a single multifunction button on the brush which is used for both power on and changing the modes. That's it, those are all the controls on it, and at the back side you got this dotted anti-slip design to offer a good grip while holding. Now let me show you the bottom part. So this is how it looks like. You've just got a cutout here to place it on the charging dock. There are no contacts, no ports, you can easily charge it wirelessly using the dock. And this is the top part. You've got a motor shaft here, this is where you need to attach that brush head. I'll show you how to do that later in the video. Xiaomi's Sonic electric toothbrush has a highly efficient maglev motor that produces strong torque and high frequency vibrations. It can vibrate 31,000 times per minute with a torque output of 230 GFCM. The specs look quite promising. Now let me show you how to install the brush head on the body. It is very easy to do that. All you need to do is simply push it on top of the shaft. Now guys, the brush head goes only in one direction, so check that before fixing it. So that was about the installation and our overview on the design. Now let me power it on and show you all of its modes. It is very easy to power on the brush. All the buttons are in the single button itself. The Sonic electric toothbrush has a total of 3 different modes. The first one is the standard cleaning mode, second is gentle cleaning mode, and the third one is user customized mode. The last indicator tells you about the battery status. You just need to press this button once to power it on. There you go, the toothbrush has powered on. By default, when you turn it on, it enters in the standard cleaning mode, which is shown by this first LED indicator. So this is how the brush vibrates when it's on. The vibrations are actually quite strong in the standard mode. Usually, the standard cleaning mode is applicable for people with efficient daily cleaning requirement. It completely cleans your oral cavity. By pressing the mode button once, you can switch to the gentle mode. Now, gentle mode produces a massage kind of effect and offers a much more comfortable brushing experience than the previous one. This mode is applicable for people with sensitive gums. And the third mode is called the user customized mode. Here you can completely control and customize the brushing effects using the app. And by pressing once again, you can turn off the brush. So those are all the different modes on it. Now not only that, you can even pause the brush by pressing the button for about a second and then press again to continue brushing. The maglev motor on it is quite powerful. I can definitely feel the vibrations in my hand. The intensity is quite high in the standard cleaning mode. Xiaomi offers two different kind of brush heads. The one which you get with the brush is the regular variant. It comes with soft bristles and has an ergonomic design to be used as a daily driver. The other one is called the Mijia mini brush head. It's a bit smaller in size and can go much deep into the oral cavity. That brush head is used for intense cleaning and you need to buy it separately. So that was my overview on all the available modes and their purpose. Now let me just bring my phone and show you the app which you need to install on your phone to control the toothbrush. The name of the app is Mi Home. It's available on both Play Store and App Store. You just need to open the app, pair with the toothbrush and start using it. Let me show you all of its app features. So this is how the home screen looks like. Once you pair with the brush, you'll get a shortcut to that over here. Just click on it to get into the menu. Oh yes, I forgot to tell, you can't connect to the brush while it's in use. It only connects when the brush is in off mode. So this is how the app's interface looks like. Whenever you open the app, it automatically syncs with the device and updates all the data. So on the home screen, it shows you the recent score that you've got while brushing. This score estimates how well you're brushing your teeth. Above that, it shows you the battery life, and by clicking on the score, you'll get a much more detailed brushing data. Just like this. So over here it shows you for how much time you've brushed, the brushing coverage area and also the brushing evenness. It not only gives you all the info, but it even gives you suggestions on how to improve your brushing quality. The app provides a lot of info on dental care, guys. You can learn a lot about your teeth, like what dental plaque is, how it's formed, and what you can do to remove it using this smart toothbrush. The app also shows you a full history of your brushing score and tells you how you're performing each time. It gives you a full analysis based on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. I've also told you at the beginning that it has a special mode called user customized, right? Well, here it is. In this mode, you can fully customize the brush to meet your personal needs. Let me show you all the available features. You've got something called as anti-splash protection. When you turn this on, the vibration intensity increases gradually after 10 seconds. So when you apply toothpaste on it, it won't splash everywhere. That is a pretty useful feature. Along with that, you can also adjust brushing duration, brushing mode. Let me show you the available modes. You've got beginner, gentle, standard, and also enhanced. I prefer using it in gentle mode. You've also got some more additional features here, like you can enable 30 seconds of extra whitening or 30 seconds of gum care and even 10 seconds of tongue cleaning. So this brush can clean both your teeth as well as tongue. Pretty good, right? Well, that was it, guys. That was our look at all the app features and customizations. Now let me tell you my experience with this smart toothbrush. The Xiaomi Sonic Electric toothbrush feels really big in size, but it's actually quite comfortable and grippy when you hold it. The toothbrush was doing a good job in cleaning. It's got 6 built-in high-precision sensors for detecting your hand movements, and also the vibration patterns keep changing depending on the mode you've selected. From my experience, I would suggest you to use only beginner mode or gentle mode because I felt the standard mode was too strong for our teeth. Also guys, I would advise you not to give these for kids or people with dental problems. It's more recommendable for people with strong and healthy oral cavity. Coming to the battery life, it's got a built-in 700 mAh battery, and on an average you'll get about 8 to 10 days of battery life on a single charge. And charging it wirelessly with the provided charging dock takes around 12 to 14 hours. So that was my full review on Xiaomi's Sonic Electric toothbrush. It's a really good smart toothbrush that comes packed with features. The build quality is nice, it's IPX7 waterproof, so you can even wash it in water without any worries. Has lots of brushing modes with many customizations, and the battery life was also decent. The only thing I felt is it's a bit expensive, costs around 2700 rupees, and also you only get one brush head in the box. If you want to share it with your family by changing the brush heads, you need to buy them separately. Each one will cost around 300 rupees. I'll leave links to all of these in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.